Hi, I'm just me and welcome to my face, I guess. This video is kind of different. I won't play games today and I'm speaking English. And I want to show you what is inside this box. Loot Trader is a box with a lot of nerdy stuff in it from games or series. It always has a t-shirt in it and it comes monthly. And every month has another theme. You can look it up, but I don't want to, so I have no idea what is the theme of November, because surprise. And yeah, Loot Trader is for the German people mostly, and I put a link down in the description if you want to have Loot Trader for yourself. And yeah, let's open it up. I'm excited. So, okay, let's start. What do we have? The theme looks kind of I don't know. Let's start. So first thing, let's start with a t-shirt. It's the best part, I think. So the shirt looks like that. It's awesome. I like it. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. That's what I do when I have free time, holidays, weekend. I don't know. So it's awesome. What do we have next? We have an Angry Bird Star Wars figure. It's a Stormtrooper pig. Looks kind of awesome. I like it. The next thing is a Lego Pac-Man Ghost. Nice. Ghost Pixel Bricks. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. What is this? Space Invaders. Looks like an old video game type of thing. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Maybe some candy. I love candy. How do I open it? Open. Open. Yep. It is candy. Candy. Candy inside a box. But there may be more. Yeah, there's more in it. I just don't know how to open. I don't want to break it. Open. Or maybe it's not. Maybe we will get to that later. Yeah. So, what is this? Glasses. Let's try that on. I will probably look like, I don't know, weird. Oh. 3D, everything is 3D, it's working! Awesome! The world looks so different! You're 3D too! Oh, you look great today! Kind of awesome. For the best 3D experience of all time. Yep, definitely best 3D. So the next thing, Tetris magnets for your refrigerator or something. Can play Tetris in your kitchen. Awesome. So, and that is the card explains the theme, shows everything that's in it, and look at it. There you can see it. Awesome. Yeah, I'm excited to have this, and I'm excited for next month. As I said I put a link down in the description if you want one of these boxes for yourself. Yeah, I like this box. I really like it. I'm excited. And that was a Loot Trader unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video. If you want to see more of what I do, subscribe, and yeah, I see you next week with the next episode of Puzzle Agent, and the next Loot Trader unboxing at the end of December. Yeah, I think so. See you next time.